Hola clase, bienvenido a un otro bingo viernes. Hi class, welcome to another bingo Friday. Let's see if we have any winners today. Last week we had 2 winners. There was actually a tie last week. And the week before that we didn't have any winners at all. I think that was the first time in 4 weeks that we didn't have a winner. So let's see if we have a winner today. Hopefully one of you wins, or maybe we might even have a tie again. Let's see what happens. All right, the first number, cinco, número cinco, 5. Number 5. Now I'm saying English with an accent, 5. Okay. Now, coming up next, we have 31. 31, 31. 31. 31 is 31. All right, let's see what we have next. 28. 28 is 28. 28 is 28. All right, what do we have next? We have 10. Número 10 is 10. 10. Hopefully you guys had a nice week this week. Remember, I always say this, make sure you contact me if you need any help. Heck, contact me if you don't need any help. Just say hi or something, you know? I don't hear from you guys very much. I'd like to hear from you guys. Okay, coming up next we have 25. 25 is 25. 25. 25. Let's see what we have here. All right, now we have 33. 33 is 33. 33. As usual, Hank is accompanying me. He's right behind me here. Sometimes I wonder if my dogs think I'm crazy. They see me. They probably think I'm talking to myself when I'm doing these videos. Okay. Coming up next, we have 65. 65 is 65. 65 is 65. All right, what do we have here? Oh, we have 51. 51 is 51. 51. 51. Anyone getting close out there? 2 away, maybe even 1 away? Message me on Hangouts if you're close. All right, here we go with número 7. 7. Number 7. Número 7. What do we have here? It looks like it's 68. 68. 68. 68. And now, 72. 72. So when you hear that set, that 70, it's 70, and then, dos is 2. 72 is 72. 72. 72. And now we have 34. So 30 is 30, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 34, 34. Number 34, 34. All right, what do we have here? It looks like it is 67. 67. 67. 67. Anyone getting close out there? Some people might be getting close. I think last week, Jay West was, I think he was 1 away in 5 different ways. It was crazy. All right, coming up next, we have 19. 19 is 19. 19. 19. What do we have here? All right, here we go with the 22. 22 is 22. 22. 22. All right. And now we have 29. 29 is 29. 29. So hopefully you guys are all taking good care of yourselves, taking breaks. I hope you're not spending the whole day doing classwork. Make sure you take breaks throughout the day. It's good to have a routine. I like to wake up, have my breakfast, and then get started on prep work. But it's also good to switch up the routine. You know, too many days in a row of the same routine gets kind of grueling. So it's sort of good to switch up the routine a little bit. So coming up next, we have 52. 52 is 52. 52. And now we have 50. 50 is 50. 50 is 50. And now we have 36. 36 is 36. So I've mentioned this before, but another good way to learn Spanish is to listen to the news in Spanish. So if any of you guys have TV, if you guys have cable at home, try to find a news channel in Spanish. And you can understand what they're saying because, you know, they have the picture up and you can kind of get an idea for the story. So you can use the context to understand what they're saying. So watching the news in Spanish is a good way to learn it. Coming up next, we have 61. 61 is 61. 61. 61. Now we have 49. 49 is 49. 49. 49. Now we have 62. Message me on Hangout if you know what this number is. 62. What could this be? 62. I'm sure you guys hear the dos. You know it's 2. 60. What is that? Well, 60 is in the 60s. 60 itself is 60. And then after that, 61, 62 is 62. And now we have 23. 23 is 23. 23. 23. And now we have 30. Número 30 is 30. 30 is 30. Next we have 74. 74 is 74. 74. 74. All right, let's see what we have here. We have 54. So now we have 54, which is 54. 54 is 54. 54. There's Hank again, just hanging out. All right. All right, coming up next, we have 35. 35 is 35. 35. 35. 35. All right, you guys want to see me when I was in high school? Well, this is when I graduated from high school. Check this out. Look at that. A young Mr. Jason there. High school graduation. All right. Anyone getting close? I've called a lot of numbers. Look at this. Look how many numbers I've called. Hopefully someone has won by now, but let's see. Remember, message me on Google Hangouts as soon as you get bingo, and the best chance of winning is starting this game right at 12:35. All right. 27. 27 is 27. 27 is 27. And coming up next, 20. Numero 20 is 20. And just in case you're wondering why I have a picture of myself on the wall, this actually isn't my house, this is my dad's house. So he put that picture up. All right, so coming up next, we have 60. 60 is 60. 60 is 60. Numero 60. 60. All right. 26. 26 is 26. 26 is 26. Now we have 15. 15. A quinceañera is a celebration when a girl turns 15. And 15 is the number 15. 15. 15. 15. Okay, I'm going to do two more numbers. We're getting close to that time when it's almost too long of a video to upload on YouTube. So I'm going to do two more numbers. All right. Coming up next, we have 73. 73 is 73. 73. 73. And our very last number, is this. It is, are you ready? Okay. It is 58. 58 is 58. 58 is 58. All right? Hope you guys had fun today. Hopefully we had a winner. Remember, this is recorded, so if you message me asking me what number I just called, I have no idea. It was recorded usually the day before. But you can ask me what numbers I called so far, because I keep this on my desk, so I can check out what numbers I called so far. I just don't know what number I called, 1 minute ago, because it's all recorded. But anyways, I hope you guys have an excellent weekend. I also posted a Kahoot. That's part of the assignment. Make sure you do that too. Adios.